Have you ever walked into a place and thought, yeah, I'm not leaving empty-handed? Well, this is that place. See, there's two kinds of people in this world. The ones that think jerky's just beef and pepper, and ones that know it goes way deeper than that. Do you want something sweet? We got it. Spicy? Of course. Something that makes you question your life choices? Oh yeah, we've got that too.
Wait, you're telling me you have Cajun alligator jerky?
Yeah, it doesn't matter what kind of jerky person you are, we've got something for you. Because if there's one thing we know around here, it's that you should never settle for boring jerky. Tell me, what's your go-to jerky flavor? Spicy, sweet, or are you one of those try anything once types? Leave a comment down below and let me know.